Hello everyone, welcome to Shanshan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Italian pasta. We'll start with the dressing. 1/2 cup olive oil, 3 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 1/4 grated parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoonful of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, parsley and basil, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Put everything in a jar. Grate 1 large garlic clove and shake well. To cook the pasta, bring a large saucepan of water to boil, add salt to the water, then add 12 ounces of Rotini pasta and cook according to the packaging instruction. While the pasta is on the stove, you need 8 ounces of salami, 3 mini cucumber, 1 cup tomato grapes, 1 small red onion, 8 ounces mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of black olives and kalamata, 1/2 cup of roasted bell pepper, 1/3 cup of fresh parsley. Drain the pasta and run with cold water. Finally, combine the pasta with all your ingredients. Pour the dressing and mix them together. Plate and enjoy.